Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best PC Case Reviews. Number 5. Phanteks Eclipse P400S. Steel exterior and chassis. Clean interior, hidden PSU. Ability to upgrade to additional fans is possible. Manufacturer warranty may not apply. The new Eclipse Series P400S. The P400S is suitable for beginners. Number 4. Corsair Carbide Air 540.
Hi, Jeff here with Corsair. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Carbide Series Air 540 case. The Air 540 has a unique new design to provide outstanding cooling. Our direct airflow path design works on the principle that the components that generate the most heat should receive the coldest, most direct airflow from outside the chassis. The Carbide Air 540 utilizes dual chambers to deliver cooler air to your CPU, graphics cards, motherboard, and memory without your drives or power supply getting in the way of the airflow. The airflow path is effectively a straight line, drawing cool air directly to the components. Let's take a closer look at the airflow. The mesh top and front slide out easily, like this. This low restriction dust filter has magnetic mounts and removes easily for maintenance. Behind that, the 2 front 140mm intake fans are Corsair Air Series AF140L models. They're based on the award-winning AF140 and have custom molded ultra-thin blades to move a lot of air with lower turbulence. The Air 540 has lots of cooling expansion flexibility. If you like, you can replace the AF140L fans with a 240mm, 280mm, or even a 360mm radiator. In fact, there's even room in the front of the chassis for the fans, so you can still install a radiator in a push-pull configuration. Up on top, you can add a 240mm or 280mm radiator.
Outstanding cooling potential. High performance air cooling. Dual chamber, direct airflow path design. Full side panel window. Item weight, 16.3 pounds. Cable routing cutouts with rubber grommets. Number 3. NZXT S340. Compact and functional design. Cable management bar cum. Superior durability, 90% steel construction. Illuminated LED power button. Steel plated audio jacks. A backlit triple-headed snake logo. Number 2. Corsair Carbide Spec 01. Install up to 4 storage drives. Large side panel window. Dust filters for front and PSU intake. But basic doesn't need to be boring. Item weight, 10.6 pounds. You get aggressive styling. Number 1. Phanteks Enthoo Pro M. Better performing SP series fans. Additional fans is possible. All fans included are Phanteks new redesigned. 3 different installation areas for radiators. Reservoir mounting locations. The Pro M will give you unlimited possibilities.